To say Chasecation 2022 was rough is putting it very lightly. Storms were non-existent the first few days for me. Once there was storms, they were pretty mediocre up until May 23rd, the Morton Wedge Day. And of course, mistakes were made on that day, and we missed a very photogenic wedge. That was very painful. So, very good content was hard to come by in terms of tornadoes, which is the main reason why I'm out there, as well as, storms, which, on the bright side, I did get a few days of some very beautiful and epic structure, so I'll take that. However, even though content kind of lacked for me to make a really good video, the support of my channel and the growth of the YouTube channel and everything was amazing. I went from like 770-ish subscribers to now almost 1.7k subscribers during my 2.5 week Chasecation time frame. So the growth has really been amazing. I'm really proud of the little community that I'm in the process of building, and I'm so grateful for everyone who subscribed, who interacted on the streams by chatting, liking the streams, and especially to those who donated. It means so much to me, and I'm really grateful for that. So thank you, everyone. And please make sure to go check out the chase videos for these individual days. There you can see more of the content from those days, whereas this video is kind of just more of a recap of each day. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This year's annual Chasecation was from May 13th through the 31st. I started out my Chasecation by traveling to Arizona to meet some coworkers and see Arizona for the first time, since storms were relatively quiet. In Arizona, I went to the top of Mount Lemmon. Saw numerous dust devils. At this point, I should count those for my 2022 tornado count. And even went to the Grand Canyon. The first chase of Chasecation 2022 happened on May 18th across eastern Colorado. Not much happened this day besides some dust being kicked up and a few decent lightning strikes. May 20th featured a bus chase across Texas. Storms tried for a while to get going but struggled. One finally got going, we went after it, and it quickly fell apart. The Tyler storm killer effect in full force.
Look, down there, got towers going up over there too.
Waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting.
Towers. It's cooled off a little bit though. A little bit. It's not as like oppressive as it was like 5 minutes ago. Is that what
Waiting on storms.
Ooh.
Towers. Look at this dude.
Flexing. Have you ever seen such perfection? It's not looking thin like it's gonna just fizzle like the other ones did.
beautiful anvil and updraft. May 21st featured a chase in the jungles of Texas. Not much happened this day besides some quarter-sized damage. Starting to get a little bit bigger hail now. Bigger hail now. May 23rd looked to be such a promising day. The H-triple model run was put in a nice, isolated supercell somewhere in the vicinity of Lubbock, Texas. Storms got going near Dora, New Mexico, and we decided to go west to try and get closer. This proved to be a costly decision as I got a flat tire and then the storm kept back building on top of us and instantly dropping very large hail. This is all hail on the road right now. This was some big hail. Due to the back building and large hail, that prevented us from going east on our east option to go back towards Morton to get in better position. That, combined with the massive amount of dust the storm was sucking in, prevented us from seeing the extremely photogenic Morton wedge. Meanwhile, my very good friend Doug Dre stayed back and ended up seeing the beast. May 24th featured yet another chase across Texas. Felt like I was being trapped in Texas at this point. We were on a storm that had a nice wall cloud and amazing structure at first. Then a cell we were on later in the day that also had amazing structure may have had a brief tornado touchdown.
Wall cloud reported on it.
Wow, this thing is so beautiful. Sculpted supercell. Some more of the structure now.
Look at that.
More structure, let's go. Look at the very left over there, that little low-hanging whatever. Alright, gonna be out of the car for a minute. This new mezzo part right here is just engulfing all this dust.
Definitely the new mezzo wrapping up in front of us here.
Oh yeah, for sure. Holy moly. Look at how fast that is moving. That is insane. That is moving so fast.
Actually just looking at that on radar. That's the only reason I was looking over there and I looked on radar and noticed that this one was
May 29th, 2022 featured a storm chase across Nebraska. The day started out with Noah shaving his beard in his car door at our campsite.
desperate times call for desperate measures. There's no mirror in the bathroom.
Nice looking structure in front of us too though.
All the chaser traffic too, that's always fun.
This storm chase across Kansas on May 30th, 2022 was a pretty fun day. We got on a storm that had a wall cloud for a bit, but she just couldn't quite get her act together to do anything. Got 2 areas of rotation really. There's that one. If you look off that way, there's also that down that way. Currently trying to watch 2 areas of rotation. Got some scud being pulled up in that side, and there's also scud being pulled up over there. That storm then turned into a structure beast presenting some gnarly structure. We ended the day watching a beautiful low precipitation storm fade into nothingness. Big beefy wall cloud right now. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all made it this far. For those of you that did make it that far, I just want to give a special shout out to Melanie and Camp, or Camplicious. You guys' support has really been incredible. I just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all of your donations. You guys are definitely my top 2 donors, and all of your donations mean the world to me. Melanie, I appreciate our now friendship, and you especially joining the mod team, and kind of really helping out with some of the ideas behind the channel. Camp, I just, really thankful for all of your donations as well. But I'm really thankful for all of your kind words during those donations and during the streams, and you just coming in and watching multiple streams lately. And so thank you to everyone else as well who has donated. But I just really wanted to give a special shout out to those 2. Everyone else, stay tuned for memberships coming very soon. We'll hope you join those. But thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed.